Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivana and for today I actually had a completely different video in mind for you guys. I made an unboxing video of this little guy here, R2D2, I guess 10.0. No, just kidding. This is my new air fryer that I got as a gift for Valentine's Day. A lady gift, like my boyfriend in very sexist joking fashion likes to call it. However, the unboxing video that I had filmed was deleted by me. Hence why I'm here, and I am actually making a review for you guys because I've used it until now, so I can tell you how it works and if it's worth your money. Because as you can see, this is not the famous Philips air fryer, which most people tend to have. Not saying that there's anything wrong with the Philips air fryer. My boyfriend actually even wanted to get me this oven with 5 stands and things, but both of those were 10K plus, and I saw that there were other options on Amazon. So I told him, you know what, this one has really great reviews. Why don't we just try this one out, and then if it doesn't work, you can always get the more expensive one. Little spoiler, I am in love with this thing, but I'll get into the details in a minute because actually later on in the video I want to unbox this Amazon package with you guys. There's some skincare in there, and I want to recommend you 2 beauty products that I recently picked up on Nykaa, which are phenomenal. But without further ado, R2D2 10.0 Varada air fryer. I have wanted an air fryer for over a year because I saw my best friend Masha constantly baking things in there, frying things, and I was like, this thing looks genius. In case you don't know, here in India, it is not common to have ovens. In my previous apartment, I did have an oven, but in this apartment, I do not have an oven. And this thing seemed to be the perfect answer to that. As you can see, the color is cream with rose gold or copper. I think there's also a black version, but I thought this one would match my kitchen better. As you can see, it's quite huge. The pan has a capacity of 6.5 liters, which I think is quite large. So this is the little menu where when you plug it in, first you press the on button. Where's the, oh, well, actually the on button appears here. And then you type in the amount of degrees that you want and the timer. I know they call it an air fryer, but actually I would call it more like a mini oven slash fryer because you can bake things in there as well as fry things and many more things. But first, let me just open this up for you guys so you can see the pan. Oh, R2D2, where are you going? No, this is a pan and it has an inner pan, as you can see. Wait, can I pull it out? Yes, I think I can. Basically, you press the button here and then the inner pan, or the, how would you call it, roaster thing comes out. The Philips one, from what I've seen, has a little filter that you can take out, which I can imagine is much more convenient if you have a dishwasher. However, here in India, it's a lot more common to have a maid come in every single day and do the dishes by hand, hence why this doesn't matter much. Also, I have noticed that the little holes, they are actually large enough to let anything seep through that needs to seep through. But at the same time, it's also not like the chunks of food that you actually want to eat are falling through them. So the air holes, the air holes are perfect. You might be wondering, how does this work? Well, basically you put the food that you want to bake or fry in this little pan, hello. And then you put the pan in here. What happens next is that any excessive oil seeps through it, so you actually use very little oil, if you are using any oil at all, to cook or bake or fry your food. The other day, I actually ordered McDonald's and wanted to try out if the fries would become crispy again, because when you order McDonald's, yes, we can order McDonald's here in India to be delivered at home. The fries usually are quite cold when they get delivered. Now, cold McDonald's fries, who wants that? So I wanted to try out if the fries would become crispy again if I would heat them up in here. And they did. It was literally like the fries were made fresh. The next thing that you do is like clip it in here. You plug this one obviously into power. This one only has an Indian power plug, so it's not really applicable for other countries that don't have this plug. I guess. Then you have your food in the drawer. You put the drawer in the air fryer, turn it on, set the degrees, and set the timer. After having this air fryer for about a month and having used it extensively, I can tell you it is absolutely genius. I love that it's so compact that it can actually be on your kitchen counter. No more huge ovens. More importantly, the cooking time of the potatoes are halved, where it would take me normally 40 minutes to bake potatoes in an oven. It takes me 22 minutes, including the heat up time in this air fryer. Next to baking and frying, you can actually also, like I mentioned, use it to heat up things or make them fresh again, like the McDonald's fries. The one thing that I didn't like is the lack of oil, because the potatoes do become more dry if there is less oil in there, but obviously you can adjust that to your own taste. Seriously, 10/10 would recommend you to try this. Obviously, I will link it down in the description below. I would say the only downside compared to the Philips one or that other oven, there is no filter that you can take out for the dishwasher in the drawer. But that's it. Other than that, it's absolutely genius. So yeah, that's my review on R2D2 10.0. I have waited to meet you, my precious, for over a year, and it was definitely worth it. I am not parting with you anymore. If you had any doubts about air fryers or maybe never even heard about it, I would definitely recommend you to just check it out. You don't have to watch just my review. There are plenty of reviews of air fryers here on YouTube, but for me, it was everything that I expected and so much more. Therefore, I would definitely recommend it to anybody who likes baking and frying and using an oven for things. Now, let's get into the beauty unboxing. I ordered a flash sale on Amazon of one of my favorite beauty brands. I actually did an extensive review of them last year, and that's how I discovered the brand. If you have watched that on my main channel, you may already have an idea of what brand I'm talking about. If not, I am going to show you right now. Oh wait, oh damn, okay. So this is only half of the package. I guess the rest is still going to get delivered. Wait, such a big box for these two things? Amazon, why? Anyways, this is the brand. No, this is not the brand. Oh man, my package is not here. Well, you know what? I'm gonna show you anyway, because one is a repeat and one is a new product that I'm going to try. The other one, I will do the unboxing whenever the package comes in. I thought it was in this package, but it wasn't. That's what happens sometimes with unboxings. Anyways, this is a repeat order of the Kaya beauty wipes because I really like them. They remove makeup so easily and they're actually quite gentle for your skin. The packaging says 200 rupees or 199, but actually you can get them with a great deal on Amazon.com. So if you're looking for great beauty wipes, I would definitely recommend these ones because this is already a repeat order for me. And then the next thing that I ordered is Lactocalamina Sun Shield Factor 50. I really need that because obviously India is a very sunny country, and an SPF, the higher the better, is actually the best anti-aging cream that you can get. I love Lactocalamina because they have this very matte effect on your skin. I've used them before, and when I saw that this one came with a SPF, actually it's a daily sun shield, I thought, let me try it out. So I'm gonna try this out and then report back to you like I did with these. Finally, two beauty products that I recently ordered on Nykaa and that I really love. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Just recently, I was doing a workshop with LOG Academy with my brother, and I was filming a very extensive vlog for my main channel. So I didn't have the time to film an extensive unboxing video of my pretty large Nykaa order, I have to say. But there are two things from that order that I still really wanted to share with you guys because they are so freaking good. The first one will be this lip stain. It is from a Korean brand and it's called Dear Darling Tint. Oh yeah, from Etude House, of course. In case you don't know what a lip stain is, basically it's a very watery texture that you put on your lips, and then after that you can choose to either let it dry in or you can wipe it off like I do. What happens is that the color or the pigment is so strong that it actually seeps into your lips and it lasts so much longer than a lipstick. Because it is dry after you wipe your lips, I actually also like to apply just a little bit of lip balm, and then you have this natural colored lips all day long. It will stay on during food, it will stay on with drinks. It's just absolutely amazing. I actually got this one for free because my order was quite large, but I think you can still get it on Nykaa, and I would tend to recommend it. I think this is the cherry color, hence why it also has the cherry flavor. I just love it so much. This is amazing stuff. I think you can even use a tint on your cheeks, so it's a two-in-one product, and especially when travel starts again, this will be just absolutely brilliant. Next, something else from Etude House that is way better quality than I ever expected it to be. I have tried Etude House makeup sometimes in their shops. I have even tried it when I was in South Korea, but I was never that impressed with the textures and the pigments of their eyeshadows. I saw this palette called Rose Balm, and I was looking for a palette which is kind of mid-range in price point, but at the same time does offer quite a lot of choice in terms of roses and red and those kind of colors. So I decided to take a chance on this one. First of all, I love the packaging. It is very sturdy, and I love the matte nude pink with the gold here. For this price point, I was extremely impressed that there's actually a mirror in there, because usually there isn't. When you have this many eyeshadow colors, they don't usually include a mirror. And then when you look at the eyeshadow colors, they are so beautiful. Each and every color is really well pigmented, and I just love it. I love the variation of roses and browns, and there's a red in here. Love it. If you want to try out a little bit more Korean/Asian looks, this is the palette for you. I love it so much, and it's 10/10 worth the money. So I will definitely link this one down in the description below. For next week, I would actually like to ask you guys what kind of video you would like to see, because there are some books that I've read and I want to recommend to you guys, but at the same time, I also shopped at H&M and I didn't get around to make a try-on haul from that shopping sesh. However, I did post some pictures on Instagram, and yeah, I got some really great responses. So I thought, even though some of the stuff is from sale, a lot of it isn't, and you might still be able to buy it. So either you guys want an H&M try-on haul or a book recommendation video, let me know down in the comments below. If you feel somebody else would also benefit from these reviews or recommendations, make sure to share this video with them as well. Put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!